Hello, this is Kelly Ellsroth. I am the instructor for Psychology 205 and Social Science 200 online. So right now you're seeing a view of my Psychology 205 course, but the instructions I'm going to give you in this video will also apply to the Social Science 200 students. I wanted to give you some tips on how to get your syllabus viewable when you're not online. There's a couple places you can get to the syllabus. In the top box for Moodle, notice there's a link here to the syllabus, but I also provided some quick links for you for a few things over here on the side in a little box over here. And so you could also click on syllabus here. And how I've done my syllabus is in this tool that we call the book in Moodle. And that way you can get to whatever you want to see in the syllabus very quickly. You should read through the whole thing in the first week of class, but there might be times that you might want to go back and take a look at other material. And so, for example, there's a course description with student learning outcomes and text requirements. Instructor contact information is here along with my availability. Down lower as we keep going, you see that there's policies and expectations and so on. And here you might want to take note that I've also included a reading and assignment calendar for Psychology 205 students. For Social Science 200, I think you'll find that in a different document if I remember correctly. But sometimes students have asked, well, what if I'm not online? So there's a couple of things you can do. If you go all the way down to the bottom of your page, there's an administration box. And under book administration, you'll only see this when you're inside of a book. You can either print the book or just print the chapter, which would be the current page that you're on. So to get to the whole syllabus, and this will also help you download it, by the way, even if you don't want to print it. So you do want to open the print book. And now you see that it is in a little bit of a different format. And if you were to scroll down through here, you would see that now it's no longer in that scrolling view that you have normally in the syllabus, but it's all in one document. So you have a couple of options. You could actually physically print it when you click on print book, and you can save it as a PDF file if your computer allows for that, or you can send it to your printer. And if it, look here, make sure it says portrait versus landscape, because landscape's going to make you see it a little bit differently. So you might want to switch it to portrait. You can do whatever options you have for your printer are going to show up here, and then you can just print it. I'm just going to cancel this for now. If you'd rather just download it maybe to your desktop of your computer, do a right click on your mouse to pull up this menu, then do a save as, and I'm going to give an example of saving it to my desktop. Saving it. I already had saved it, so that's why it's asking me that. But yes, I want it saved. And if I close this out, you'll see it's right here. Okay? And if I open that back up, it's going to open it back up into that same view that we saw before. And you could also take a look and see if there's other ways that you can save that. Let me just close this out for now. And just in case you hadn't also noticed, get to have a view of my desktop there. To get through the pages on here, you could click on the page. You could also use these arrows to scroll through the pages to go forward or backward. And so it's just one way for me to let you be able to see things a little bit at a time. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems with how to use the book tool, but hopefully that'll help you to get organized for class.